To start off, we suggest using our optional white setup mat. This mat helps protect the tent and the print from getting dirty during setup. You may choose to leave this mat up as flooring or take it down after the air tent setup has been completed. This mat also comes with loops that you may push a stake through to keep it from moving. Once the mat is in place, remove the air tent from the carrying bag and place the bag aside. Now, unroll the air tent and separate the legs. Spread the legs apart so the air can travel easily throughout the frame. As you separate the legs, make sure the air valves are closed on the legs that you will not be attaching the air pump to. When you first receive your air tent, all of the valves will be open. There are two latches on the valve. The top one is the intake. This is the area where you twist open and place the air pump tube into the valve. The lower one is the outtake. Twist this section open to let the air out. For this demonstration, we will be using our optional electric air pump on one leg. The valves on the other three legs are closed. You may use more than one air pump, but we recommend only using one for the 10x10 option. As you are inflating the tent, occasionally check on the tent legs to make sure air is flowing into all sections. Stop inflating when your tent is halfway inflated. If you are using our optional weight bags, start by removing the clear plug and filling the bag with either water or sand. Once filled, replace the clear plug back into the hole. To insert the weight bag, locate the black loop and hook flap overlapping the inside leg zipper and pull it off. Pull the zipper open about 6 inches above the black foot and gently push the clear bladder up to make room for the weight bag. Now, place the weight bag inside the tent leg and under the clear bladder. Make sure the bladder and the weight bag are clear of the zipper and zip closed. Attach the black loop and hook flap back into place and repeat this for the other three legs. Now, unfold your print and start to position your print onto the air tent. Align the leg sections of the print to the legs of the air tent. We recommend bringing a second person to help at this stage. With the print aligned to the tent, attach the middle zipper on the print to the zipper on the bottom of the leg and zip it up about a foot. Now, attach the hook and loop fastener on the print to the tent legs as shown. Go back to the zipper and zip it up all the way. Repeat this for the other three legs. With the print attached to the tent, reinsert the hose and start inflating the tent. When it is about 75% filled, have one person go under the tent and lift it up. As it is filled, reposition the legs as needed until the tent is fully inflated. Remove the air pump and close the intake valve. Our air tent has three types of custom printed walls to pick from. There is a custom printed full wall with door, and a custom printed full wall with clear window. To attach these walls, attach the zipper on the tent's print to the zipper on the wall and zip all the way. There are three types of stake styles that you can choose from: the basic style, the plus style, and the premium style that comes in 12-inch or 16-inch options. To secure your tent to the ground, locate the bottom 4 D rings and push the stakes through them into the ground. You may use a hammer or mallet if the ground is hard. You may also add a guy line by attaching our webbing to the tent's top D rings located on each side. Using the adjustable webbing, attach a stake on the other end and stake it to the ground. Lastly, you can install the stakes into the white loops on the bottom of the print.